Ever had a cinnamon roll that wasn't just a dessert, but an experience? I didn't either until last year. Let me take you on a journey about how one simple recipe turned into a life-changing moment. It started in a tiny cafe tucked away in Paris. I was on a solo trip, feeling a little lost, when the smell of cinnamon wafted through the air. It led me to a table where the softest, most perfectly glazed cinnamon roll sat waiting for me. That cinnamon roll wasn't just food, it was comfort. It was inspiration. As I took the first bite, everything around me faded. The city's bustle, my own thoughts. It all melted away into that warm, sweet, spiced perfection. It felt like the universe had paused for just a moment to remind me of life's simple joys. When I got back home, I couldn't shake that memory. I knew I had to recreate it, but with my twist. The challenge? I wasn't a seasoned baker. I had never made anything from scratch that didn't come with step-by-step instructions and a little packet of pre-measured yeast. But one night, I stumbled on a food hack that changed the game for me. Here's the secret. You don't need to spend hours kneading dough or proofing it like a pro. A simple store-bought crescent roll can cut your prep time in half while still delivering that same soft, flaky texture. From there, I built my own magic. I mixed butter, brown sugar, and cinnamon into a paste, spread it over the dough, and rolled it up. As the rolls baked, my kitchen filled with that same heavenly aroma that had drawn me to that cafe. And when I pulled them out of the oven, glazed them with a simple cream cheese frosting, and took my first bite, I got it. I was right back in that moment. That tiny cafe, that little table by the window. But it wasn't just about the cinnamon rolls. It was about the connection, the story I was telling with my food. Each swirl of cinnamon sugar became a reminder of that Parisian escape. Every bite carried me back to that moment of clarity and comfort. So now, I want to pass this on to you. What's your story? Is there a dish that takes you back to a special moment, a person, or a place? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear it. And if you're ready to create your own food story, try this cinnamon roll hack. Make your own magic. Who knows where it might take you? Remember, food isn't just about filling your stomach. It's about filling your life with memories. Let's keep creating moments together. If it inspired you, then stick around for more stories, hacks, and recipes to make your life a little sweeter.